Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make your Indeed resume public. So first of all, you will have to just find the Indeed app, or you can also open in browser Indeed. So I will open the application and you will see there is the employer and job seeker, and you will have to click job seeker and click to resume. You will have to click to resume and you will have to click. You will see it will be automatically open this resume. You can also add it from the phone, which resume you will have. So you have searchable on Indeed, and you will also option is not searchable on Indeed. So I will click to searchable on Indeed. You will see it will be added. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.